everyone. Today is class number 21. Class 21 for EMFT. Okay. So today I have to study that the Poisson's equation and Laplace equation. Okay. So first you have to know what is the Poisson's equation. This Poisson's equation, to develop this Poisson's equation, actually Poisson is a mathematician. Okay. So after his name he have discovered some equation and something which can be derived from the Maxwell's first equation. Okay. So write according to Maxwell first equation. So what is the Maxwell's first equation? So divergence of E, which will be equals to rho v by epsilon naught. Okay. So in case of air medium, we are considering it is an air medium. Okay. So in bracket you can write consider air medium. Okay. So if divergence of E equals to rho v by epsilon naught. So this is your Maxwell's first equation. Okay. So again we have that E vector equals to minus gradient of V, right? In the last class I have discussed that intensity or the electric field intensity can be taken as the negative of the gradient of a scalar potential. Okay. So if we put this E over here, then so that divergence of minus gradient of V, that will be equals to rho v by epsilon naught. Okay. And what is the meaning divergence of gradient? So we know this pronunciation, divergence of gradient of any scalar equals to what? Laplacian, right? Laplacian. So this one can be expressed in Laplacian as, or you need not to make this vector because Laplacian is a scalar product. Laplacian is a scalar product. So del to V equals to what? So minus sign will be coming in right hand side. So rho v by epsilon naught. Okay. So this expression is called your Poisson's expression. Poisson's Poisson's equation. Okay. So in case of any other medium, this epsilon naught can be taken as epsilon m. Okay. And which will be equals to epsilon naught equals to into epsilon naught. So that means for any other medium which will be equals to minus rho v by epsilon naught into epsilon r. Okay. Epsilon naught into epsilon r. Okay, where epsilon m equals to permittivity of any other medium. Permittivity of any other medium. Okay. So this is your Poisson's equation. Okay. So next that will be the topic number, what? Topic number 14. Okay. Poisson's equation. Poisson's equation and Laplace equation. Okay. So this is your Poisson's equation. So what will be the Laplace equation? Right. If we consider a system where volume charge density is 0, then we can write this rho v equals to 0. That's why Laplacian of v equals to 0. Okay. So what do you mean by, what is the significance of this statement, of this condition and statement? That means where rho v equals to 0, so your Laplace equation, this is called Laplace equation. Okay, this equation is called Laplace equation. So Laplace equation is nothing but the modification of or conditional equation for Poisson's equation. Okay, conditional representation of a Poisson's equation. What is the condition? Rho v should be 0. So where, give an example of a system where rho v equals to 0. That means if we consider a charge free system. Okay, so right, for any charge free system, Poisson's equation becomes Laplace equation. That is, Poisson's equation becomes Laplace equation. That is, Laplacian of scalar potential will be equals to 0. So Laplacian of the scalar potential will be equals to 0. So now what is the significance of it? Significance, or the what is the, now we are expanding this Laplacian operator. Okay, now we are expanding this Laplacian operator. So del means what? Del means del x I cap plus del y j cap plus del z k cap, right? So this is your nabla or del operator. Okay, so if we put double time, that is square of this del operator, then it will be dd2 of x, dd2 of z, dd2 of z. Okay, so this I, and if we erase this one and taken is as a scalar one, that is I cap, j cap and k cap will be vanished. So this is your del 2 operator. Okay, this is your del 2 operator. Okay, so now this del 2 operator, it is in Cartesian system. This is in Cartesian system. Okay, so in case of Cartesian one, Laplacian will be Poisson's equation will be this one, and Laplace equation will be this equals to this one. So therefore del 2x of v plus del 2v by del 2y plus del 2v by del 2z, which will be equals to 0 in Cartesian system. And similarly, if we compute the cylindrical system, then del 2v equals to 1 by rho del rho of rho del v del rho. Okay, rho del v del rho plus 1 by rho square of del 2v by del phi 2 and plus del 2v by del z2 taking. Okay, so this will be equals to for cylindrical system, cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, and last one del 2v equals to 1 by r square del r of r square del 2v del r plus 1 by r square sin theta dd theta of 1 by r square sin theta dd theta of sin theta del v del theta plus 1 by r square sin square theta 1 by r square sin square theta of del 2v by del phi 2 del 2v by del phi 2. Okay, so this is for spherical coordinate system. This is for spherical coordinate system. Okay, so these three equations, this is your first equation for Cartesian one, this is your cylindrical for cylindrical one, and this is for spherical one. Okay, so Laplace and Poisson's equation, if there is a question regarding Laplace and Poisson, there is a short note, right? In case of your semester, is there any short note asked this type of concept, then you have to write all of these above. thing I have done here. Okay, so next topic will be method of image, okay, which is most important, sure question for your exam purpose. So write a short note on method image, short note, okay, short note based. I have to write it. I will give you a note regarding this method of image. Okay, so what do you mean by method of image? Okay, so first write a given charge, first write something, a given charge configuration above an infinite grounded perfect conducting plane, a given charge configuration above an infinite grounded perfect conducting plane may be replaced by the charge configuration itself, by the charge configuration itself, its image and an equipotential surface, its image itself, its image and an equipotential surface in place of the conducting plane. That means when you need to find a point, you need to calculate a point which is very much beyond, okay, which is beyond a system. Okay, suppose this is the boundary of a system. Okay, this is the boundary of a system. Suppose we are taking consider a boundary of system, and we need to find the we need to calculate something or some parameters or some element at this point P, but we cannot reach this point. Okay, then this method of image will be effective. So how? So suppose this a point P is placed 8 centimeter or 8 unit distance from this conducting surface or this boundary of the system. Okay, so we can apply the same thing which will be exactly opposite to that. That will be the exactly h distance from the inside this system. So this will be P dash. So it is P and it is P dash, just opposite. That is the image of this P will be reflects over here. So this point P, whatever the calculation is made, need to be made here, and you have to first calculate the same thing for this case and then convert it by some useful tool to find this point P. Okay, so actually suppose we need to find, for an example we are assuming that a point P which is beyond the system by h distance. Okay, we need to calculate the intensity at this point. Okay, so but we cannot reach here, raise there, so we have to apply the same method of image concept to find the intensity first, intensity at that point P dash, which is nothing but the image of that point P. Okay, so if we get this will be x unit. Okay, this will be x unit. Now this x1 can be converted into by using a useful tool. That will be EP can be written as x times EP dash into some another constant k. Okay, this k have to be measured by using some useful tool. which is beyond your syllabus. So just here you have to understand what is the concept of method of image. So method of image is a useful tool to calculate any parameter of any point which is beyond the system, and by reflecting it, by putting a reflection it, by making a reflection this point inside the system, okay, so and applying the some useful tool. Okay, so this is your concept. And if we consider this point P having a charge Q, so this P dash having a charge Q dash. Okay, so right, so it is, this method is an actually useful tool. This method is an actually useful, this method is actually an useful tool to find any quantities on a particular point which is beyond the system by reflecting the point inside the system and converting it with a useful tool. Okay, so this is your method of image concept. Okay, so now write use of this method of image. Write one use. Write this method of image permits the determination of electric field behavior. This method of image permits the determination of electric field behavior in a dielectric without knowing the actual charge distribution on the conducting plane. Okay, so this is your topic number 15, right? Topic number 15. So now next day I will start the topic number 16, that is calculation of potential. So make a heading today, and next day I will start from here. Topic number 16. Calculation of potential for different charged system. Okay, so today's class up to this much. Next day I will continue after here. So thank you.